Now let's understand how APIs work step by step. API works using a request and response model. The client sends a request, and the server sends a response. Think about an ATM machine. You request money. The bank checks your account and gives a response. This is how an API works. GET is used to get data. POST is used to send data. PUT is used to update data. DELETE is used to remove data. When the server responds, it sends a status code. 200 means success. 401 means unauthorized. 404 means not found. Every API has endpoints, parameters, headers, and a body. These parts help APIs work correctly. So APIs work using HTTP, requests, and responses. This is the basic API flow.